Hello viewers, welcome to mathematics lesson. Today we will be looking at logarithm of whole numbers. Logarithm of whole numbers. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to find the log of a single digit number, two digits number, three digits number, and even four digits number. We are also going to see how numbers are multiplied, divided, and raised to a power or root using logarithm. And also you are going to see how to find the antilog of a number. Assuming we are asked to multiply 192 by 83, we use a tabular form. On the left hand side you write number, on the right hand side you find the log. The first number is 192, which is written here. Now you find the integer first. Where is the first decimal point? This is the decimal point is here, and you count the number of digits before leaving the last digit. So from here to here, 1 2. So that is how you get the integer part. Then you now look for 19 under 2. 19 under 2 in your log table is 2833. The next number is 83. The integer part is from here to here is just one digit. Then we look for 83 under 0, and we will have 9191. But because we are multiplying the two numbers, we'll be adding their logs. Let's add 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 9 12, carry 1, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. Then 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 1 12. Then we carry 1 to this side. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1, we carry 4. That is how we get the 4 on the integer part. The next thing is to look for the antilog. The antilog part is this side. Then you will go to antilog table, look for 0.20 under 2. You will have 1592. Then move further under 4. What will you see? 1. So you now add the 2. That is how you get 1593. Then the next step is to place the decimal point. Remember, we started from here to count. So we also start from here to count. Because it is 4, we count 4 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, which means we add 0 to complete the 4. But if it is -4, from here we count 4 places to the left. That is number 1. Number 2 is division. Assuming we are asked to divide 7 by 64, we still use tabular form, number, log. The first number is 7. Then the integer part is 0 because the only part that we are supposed to leave is 7. So we now write 0, and then we look for 70 under 0. If you look for 70 under 0, you have 8451. The next number is 64. In 64, the decimal point is here, 1 place to leave 6, so it's 1. So we look for 64 under 0. That is how we have 8062. But because we are asked to divide, we subtract their logs. So here 1 cannot subtract 2, so we borrow. 11 minus 2 is 9. 14 minus 6 is 8. 3 minus 0 is 3. And 8 minus 8 is 0. Then 0 minus 1 is -1, but you write it in this form, bar 1. Now we look for the antilog. In this one, the antilog is 0. We look for 0.03 under 8. We will get 1091. Then under 9, the difference is 2. So you add the 2, you have 1093. Then because the decimal point is now here, we move 1 place to the left because it is negative. So from here, 1 place to the left. But if it was positive, 1 place to the right would have been here. So that is how we divide numbers by using logarithm of numbers. Now, for the next Number 3 is raising to a fraction power. Of course, 9128 raised to power 2 over 3. 2 is the power and 3 is the root. Whatever we do with those two is the same thing you do with all powers. And whatever we do with 3 is the same thing you do with all powers. We are combining the two. So we'll use a table. We write log and find the number and find the log. So we write the number 9128 raised to power 2 over 3. Yeah, the integer part is from here to here are 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. That is how you get the integer part. We look for 91 under 2, we will get 9600. The difference under 8 is 4. So if you add together, you have 9604. Now times the power, because it is a power, you multiply by the power. In multiplication, you add the powers, the logs. In division, you subtract the logs. But in power or root, you multiply by the power or root. Now, first of all, multiply. You can equally start by dividing before multiplication, or multiplication before division is the same thing. So let's multiply. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 6 is 12, carry 1, 2 times 9 is 18 plus 1, 19, carry 1, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. Then we divide by the root. And if we divide this, we will get 2.60, 2.6402. And the antilog, we look for 0.04 under 0. You have 4362. Then under 2, the difference is 2. You add, you have 4367. Then when you have 4367, you look for place the decimal point. Because it is 2 here, the decimal point is from here. You count 2 places to the right, 1, 2, and that is how it is between 6 and 7. Now, number 4 is similar to number 3, but here the numerator, that is the power, is greater than the root, while in this one the power is less than the root. Let's see what happens given the same number. Of course, the log of 9128 is 3.9604 times the power. This is what you have. Then the next thing is we divide first before we multiply. So if I divide this by 2, I will have 1.909802 times the power 3. I will now get 5.9406. Then we look for the antilog. We will look for 94 under 0. If you look for 94 under 0, you have 8710. The difference under 12 is, under 6 is 12. So if you add them, you have 8722. Now, from here, you place the decimal point. Count the decimal places. 5 places to the right because it's positive. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means we need 2 zeros to complete the 5. And that is how you use logarithm to multiply, divide, find the power and root of numbers. Thank you very much. Let's do it again next time.